Have y'all seen the prices of Teslas lately? Tesla just did a massive price cut on a lot of their models, and they're also offering a $7,500 tax credit. So you know what that means. I think it's time to buy a car. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get it started and bring up the Tesla website. On the top of the website, you're gonna see that until March 2023, certain Model 3s and Ys will qualify for that $7,500 tax credit. Now, I'm interested in purchasing a Model 3, and I'm also going to be going through their current inventory that is already made, so we don't have to wait for certain configurations and all of that. So what I want is a super standard base model right here, but instead of the pearl white, we're gonna go with this midnight silver. This color looks sick right here, and this is going to be super standard. We're not gonna upgrade anything. We're just gonna keep the price on the lower side so we could go ahead and have a little bit more room to go ahead and do some modifications in the future. I'm just gonna skip on the FSD, skip on the charging, and it looks like we'll be picking this up in Vallejo. So sometimes the Tesla vehicles will get delivered to you, but I guess for some of them that are in the current inventory, you could go ahead and pick it up, which is cool too. So Vallejo's only an hour away, it's not too far. If you plan on buying a Tesla vehicle, I believe it has to be under $55,000 after all the configurations are made in order to qualify for the $7,500 federal tax credit. Now keep in mind that that's based on this specific time right now. So if you're watching this a year from now, I'm sure things have changed. And if you wanna go ahead and pause it on the screen, you can pause it right here. It just talks about the estimated loan payment. Now this will change as we do our process, but it just gives you a slight idea. But all we owe today is $250. After we pay our 250 bucks, it looks like we see this porcupine hedgehog looking thing. Is that a hedgehog? It might be a hedgehog. It might be a porcupine too. I don't know. But yeah, after we paid, all we're gonna do is load up our mobile app, which is extremely simple. This is the most smooth car buying process I've ever done. I love how easy Tesla makes it. So you could literally do this on your laptop or you could do it on your phone. But all you do is you just follow each and every step. So you'll see these tabs in the app. You're gonna see the trade-ins, you're gonna see financing. And for my financing application, it literally got back to me in about 10 minutes. So it's super simple. You just select what you're gonna go with, loan applications and all that. Or you could pay off the car if you're balling like that. And for my monthly payment, I'm going to be paying $760.02. So the amount due at signing is going to be $4,745.56. Once you agree to everything and you follow all the directions on the tabs, it will let you know when the vehicle is ready for pickup. So I'll see you guys for pickup day. Shameless plug, if you guys are interested in purchasing a Tesla vehicle or solar, I will have a referral link down below. I'm not sure if it will get you anything, but hey, you could go ahead and try it out. Back when I was pushing my referral link, it will give y'all some free charging miles, but I'm not sure if they're still doing it, but I'm just letting you guys know. If you want to use my link, the link is down below. Good morning, everybody. Today is pickup day, so I'm on the way right now to the Tesla factory or Tesla dealership, and we're about to pick up the car. Let's go. Man, that took forever, but it's finally outside. Here's a look at the Model 3. Woo-wee. We're doing a different color this time. Last time we got the pearl white. This time we got this, I don't even know what the color code is or what the name of it is, but it's nice. It reminds me of my Lexus. We're just gonna do a quick little walk around, make sure everything looks good before we take off. The body on the side looks fine, but we got this right here. This is crazy, bro. Look at this. And it's not like, maybe it could be buffed off, I don't know, but dude, that is wild for like a brand new car. Come on, man. So I gotta get that taken care of. Let's see, a little bit on there too. Wow, that's crazy. Look at this, condensation already in there. That's not good. Rock chips, no rock chips. Let me see. I'm just making this part of the video because Tesla's known to like have panel gaps and paint mistakes and all this stuff. So you gotta be really cautious when you buy one, when you're inspecting it. Make sure you say something about it, because you don't want to take off and have them think that it's from you. So gotta make sure you do your rounds, make sure everything is good. Those are the two things. Not really tripping too much on the taillights, but that paint right there is like, dude, that's a big one right there. Okay, we're finally on the road now, and I just wanted to whoa, what the? Look at that G-Wagon. You see how lime green that thing is bright. So I waited about an hour, and it turns out the car was outside the entire time. So Tesla on the service. For some reason, they transferred the person that was originally gonna help me out, and then that person never transferred me to I don't know. I don't know what happened, but that already had me kind of like in a weird mood. And then I saw the taillights, and I was like, wow, that's crazy. A brand new car. This type of quality control should be a little bit tighter, you know? And then the cherry on the cake was that huge scratch on the driver's side quarter panel. So I really just want to see how Tesla's going to handle this, and I want to make these videos to update you guys. And it's not like I could go ahead and return this car. It's already registered in my name. It has the VIN number is attached to me, the loan's attached to me, everything. So it's not as easy as just like canceling the order like that. So we're gonna see how Tesla handles this, because they're supposedly, you know, responsible for fixing cosmetic issues or whatever, like panel gaps and stuff like that. So we'll see what happens, guys. But we're finally in the car. It actually took me a while to set everything up because it's so different than the one that I had. Like the menu has changed. I didn't have this menu last time that I had it, but as far as the car goes, feeling wise, it feels really nice. I missed this electric car feel where whenever you just punch the gas, it goes. I definitely missed that. I missed the technology in this car. Sorry if I sound ungrateful. For the price of this car, it should be absolutely perfect, and Teslas are known for having their issues. So I wanted to highlight that in this video, just in case y'all are planning on buying a Tesla. You might run into these issues, but with my other one, I didn't have any issues at all. So I guess it's really a gamble, but it is what it is. Okay, as I'm driving this, I noticed a couple things that changed over time. So this part right here on the door, I don't remember that being wood. Also, these chargers right here, these are wireless chargers, and they don't have that flip up like my old one used to have. So there's small differences on this car compared to the other car that I had, but it's driving great so far. This thing is flying through pretty smooth. Quick update on that request that I did to fix the condensation. I got a message back from Tesla saying that condensation is normal, but I don't remember my taillights having condensation on my other Model 3, but they said as long as it doesn't have water droplets inside, then there's no problem at all. So that ticket got closed, but the scratch, that will for sure need to get taken care of. Before I let you guys go, I'm just gonna talk about a couple things that I noticed on this car. It seems like they got rid of some stuff, but then they added some stuff at the same time. So let me just go ahead and talk about those quick little things that I noticed. First thing being this blackout trim right here. A lot of people were doing the chrome deletes on the 2018 and 2019s, I believe. I think on the 21s and up, they changed it to black. I could be wrong, but I love how it comes with the chrome delete already done. But one thing that they got rid of, which I wish they kept, were these sensors in the bumper. The front bumper used to have these little dots in the front where it would tell you how far you are away from an object that's in front of you. And now, for the amount of time that I've been driving it, I haven't seen that pop up at all. So I think removing the sensors was kind of like, man, why'd you guys do that? Rear bumper, same thing, does not have any of, oh wow, there's another scratch right here. I just noticed that. So that's getting added to the list as well. The rear bumper doesn't have any sensors, but they did add the automatic trunk, which is nice. So we did get that, but again, they do take some things out. This one doesn't have the wall charger that you just plug into a normal outlet, so you gotta buy that separately. And it also didn't come with floor mats. So again, there's things that were added, there's some things that were taken away. I think the sensors were pretty big though, like shouldn't have been taken out. I think I'm going to end the video right here. I will be having more Tesla content coming soon. The next follow-up video might be the scratch and seeing how that gets resolved. If y'all have any specific video ideas that you want to see, just let me know in the comment section down below. And I also wanted to thank you guys for making this possible. You guys watch the videos and support the channel. Without your guys' love and support, this would not be possible.